So we tried to install this handheld bidet onto this toilet, and I end up breaking this flex tube connecting the water outlet to the tank. This thing has been here for more than a century, and it's all rusty and brittle, and it just broke as soon as I touched it. So we're going to try to fix it there's no easy way to fix this. I have to cut this copper pipe, oh boy, and replace it with another one of those connector. This house is so old. Let's hope it works. So this is a copper pipe cutter. All ready to shut off the water outside. Let me see if see any water coming out still. There's no more water. Oh, there's water. Good, there's not a lot of water in there. So I'm gonna turn this. Never done this before, so. Oops. Wow, that was easy. That was easy. Okay. Wow. Sandpaper this thing down with it. Make it nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Then we got this push-in connector that I just bought. So we went ahead and connect the flex tube to this new connector. I'm going to push it in, see how it works. I hope it works. There it is. It just went right in. And I'm told that you cannot pull it out. Yep. It's pretty in. Can't pull it out. You have to use some kind of tool to pull it out. How cool is that? No soldering. I'm going to tighten this a little bit more. Connected to this. And we're done. Wow. Just like that, we're done. I can't believe it. Okay, so we turned the water back on and there doesn't seem to be any leak at all. Wow. Not a drip, not a drop. How cool is this? I am a plumber.